Alright, got the Rebel V2 coming out on a 4S22 or 2700. Got a Big5 GPS logger on there. I'm going to try to get a speed rating on this one and put a 5 cell in it and see what it does. Here we go. Come out with 1 tick of flaps. Come down here to the end of the runway. I just have that stuck on with a piece of Velcro, so hopefully it'll stay. All right. Alright, here we go. Max throttle, back pressure, coming up, gears are up. Alright, this will be a short flight, boring, just going to fly a circuit. No dives or nothing, we want level ground, we want level passes. That was full speed. Another one coming back this way, a little higher elevation. Again, no I don't want any diving to increase the speed. I'm trying to just get it at level flight. So that's the only time I'm going to full throttle, is at level flight. That way we'll have a apples to apples comparison when we put the 5 cell in there. Oh, getting attacked by a flock of geese. Alright, let's go ahead and pop our gear, come down a little closer, 1 more pass and we'll come on for a landing. About 20 seconds left on the flight. Make 1 more pass. Alright, let's take us a quick look here and see what the speed looks like. Looks like the peak was 72 miles per hour. Walk through here, that's peak speed. Average speed was 29. The altitude you can't really pay attention to. 757 was peak. That's not really the height because we were at 524 to start with. I think it was 524. Let's take a look again. 72 miles per hour was the peak. Hopefully that comes in on video. 26 was the average. Yeah, 528 is where the starting altitude was. 528 feet above sea level. And our peak was 757, so just subtract that off and tell you how high we went. Alright, there it is, 4S battery, China Hobby 2700. Now let's try it with a 5S battery in it. Stand by.